Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going out with my Golf R again, and I'm doing a little bit of a test. The new gimbal that you saw me do the unboxing of, the DJI RS2, I'm going to be taking it out and trying the portrait mode because I've never had the option to do that on my other gimbal, and with Reels and TikToks coming into it more, I really want to give it a go and just sort of test it. So this is the test, and I'm going to sort of do a bit of a walk around on how I shoot it and then put the final edit at the end. So yeah, let's go. We finally made it to the location. I have been doing some photos beforehand, which I'll put in just after this. I've just put the headpiece on, and I don't know how much you can see of this. That's mad. Look at the sunset. Jeez. I want to get one for the thumbnail. Yes. Look at that sunset, that is actually sick. And I got like a full length shot of the car for the reel whilst the sun was setting. We'll start here. I'm going to do it this way instead, just because it's a bit easier. So we've panned up, and then we've got it central. I'm just pretty much doing the detail shots at the moment, so like getting like the wheel and the other things like that, so I'm not too bothered about missing the sun in that one, but I'm just going to get straight into it and try and watch out for the shadows, because I've just realised that you'll be able to just see me. It's all about trying to like connect the shots and things. So I'm going to kind of come up to the car like this, follow it around, and then come back out, up, and then obviously try and connect that with like the next shot, which I might do over here with the wheel. I'm gonna come down. I just missed it on video, but the person who was just walking past just complimented the Golf. And I forgot to say as well, it's just been cleaned to pan across this way. So it goes across, and then I'm going to spin it like that, and I'm going to do my next connecting one with like the back quarter. But I'm going to start here, pan it like that, and then come down the car like this, go down again, and then that allows me then to go to the back and get like a full shot from here like that of the car. But what I might do is, so that it's in focus here, start here, but start twisting it actually. So I'll go like that and then up. But I've just realised that the lights have turned off, so I'm going to try that again. Right, we'll start it as straight as we can, turn it a little bit, and then we'll go up, and hopefully that connection of front to back should work, fingers crossed. So unfortunately it is a little bit dark now. I did manage to get the sunset from this position. What I'm going to attempt is just to do all the connecting clips again, just so that I have, like I say again, a second choice. I'll start with the main one. Keep it in focus. I'm going to keep it in between the lines as well, especially for the reel. Keep it as straight as possible, so then that comes back, and then I'll tilt and go down, so I know that my last clip needs to come up. The start is going to be here, so we're going to start at the light because it's quite a distinctive feature, come around like this, and then curve over here. So I know that now my curve is what I need to be hitting next. So I'm going to do the spoiler next, because I've curved it. I might probably do a reverse shot, because I obviously want it to go this way. I might start it here, start up there, come down, and then go like that. So start it here, you got the whole spoiler, but I wanted to start there actually. So start there, come down, and then that little twist at the end should connect the clip before to this one. So now I've done that, I'm going to get a shot of the back. So the back will start, let me just put the lights on, and I'm going to do quite a big one because I want to get the whole of the back in it and then try and connect it to a different clip. So because I have come up from the sky, I want to come up from the ground, get the lights like this, go from the R badge and then take it up again. And then what I'm going to do from here, because I've got the connecting up, come back and get the shot of it going up but from a different angle. So start up here because this is where I want to end. So I've twisted it, got the car in focus and then come down. So my next shot was the twist. So yeah, I've managed to connect the clips together. I've got the other one of the door over there. To be fair, what I've done is I've done loads of twists and turns and things like that, so that I should, even though I've done it at 2 times, I should have enough for connecting clips to go together because of the movements and things that I've done, like from the badges and what have you, and like all the lights and things. So I'm just going to want to do one more of like a sort of spin from that. 1 minute, what did I actually end on? So I ended on, it was that, wasn't it? So it kind of came down. So I want to go this way. Right, okay, actually. I'm going to start here, come up, and then go like that. And then that should lead me on to nicely what I did earlier with this. Should I get an interior one? I don't even have my light with me, so I don't know if it's going to be light enough to get an interior one. We'll try. It'd help if I had the door open. We'll get a decent one. We'll start off there. In fact, we'll twist it. Oh, that looks sick. And then just one for good measure. I'll get it focused. Don't know if you can see it. Well, so we'll start there, come back. Yeah. Yeah. I think that were pretty spot on for what I wanted it. Whilst it's still light enough, I'll take you on a little tour around the car. I cleaned it earlier, so it should look absolutely spotless. But yeah, I gave it a nice wash. You should be able to see it in the very end when I do the TikTok reel style video. Hopefully it came out really nice, and I got, oh, that sunset was perfect, and I hope you can pick it up in a video. So yeah, that was the TikTok and Reel how-to video. I do really like these videos because I get questions all the time asking me, how do you make your TikToks, how do you make your Reels and things like that. So I thought, what a better way to take you along with me, especially after cleaning the car and that sunset. Fingers crossed it comes out alright in camera because it was actually insane, like the colours and stuff. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned something new from it, and you enjoyed the reel at the end because that was like the whole reason for this, and fingers crossed it turned out alright. I hope so. If you like these kind of videos, then please do let me know, and I will try and do as many like how-to videos as possible with like different cars and things. This is just again a test with my car, and I'm trying out the new head mount that I got for the GoPro. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Did I say thank you?